What's up, YouTube? So, I got this Oregon Ducks Rubik's Cube, and I was pretty excited to scramble it and solve it, but I haven't done it yet, and I wanted to do it on YouTube for you guys, so I'm gonna scramble this and attempt to solve it. I have not tried it yet. I'm gonna be using the beginner's method, so just in case if there's any beginner solvers watching this, they are not confused when I'm solving it, so I'll come back when it's scrambled. So I'm back and it's scrambled, and remember, I am going to use the beginner method, so no beginning cubers get confused. The side I'm going to start with is the black background with the Oregon, just the Oregon on it. So I gotta look for the other Oregon edge pieces. Gotta move that over to the side. You also have to, for these kind of cubes, you also have to make sure that the edges or the centerpieces are also lined up with the edges. Like, I'll give you an example here. So, like, for example, this one, the centerpiece is sideways, but the edge piece is straight up and down. So I have to move the centerpiece so it's straight up and down as well. Like that, and then flip it up. That's what is really confusing about these cubes. Make sure that they're correct. Aw, dang it. See how the centerpiece turns sideways? So I got it. Let's make it straight up and down. There we go. Now I can do the edges. Right here? Yep. Almost done with the first side. There we go. Got the first side and the first layer. So now I gotta do the second layer. This one goes over here, so it's really stiff to turn. So this one goes over here. This one goes over to the right side. There we go. Got the first two layers. As you can see, I have the L. So I gotta get the cross. There I have the cross. Now I gotta make sure every side is orientated the correct way. First the centers. So that one, this one, and this one, and this one right there. There, now all of them should be, yep. Now I gotta make sure the corners are correctly orientated. This one is, so I'm gonna rotate the other ones. So this one's still in the correct order. This one is this? Yeah, this one is, and so is this one. So I just gotta flip these ones so they're orientated the right way. And the last one, doing the last algorithm here. And there we go. I have solved the Oregon Ducks Rubik's Cube. I feel accomplished. Wow, that was a little more difficult than I thought it was going to be. But yeah, I solved it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked it, press the like button. If you want to see the tutorials on how to solve these Rubik's Cubes back here, go to my channel, and I have tutorials on how to solve the 4x4, 3x3, and 2x2 Rubik's Cubes. Thank you.